Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to buy Treasury Bills, also known as T-bills, on Fidelity. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Treasury bills are short-term US government securities that many investors use as a relatively low-risk way to earn interest on their cash. To get started, log in to your Fidelity account. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the News and Research tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Fixed Income, Bonds and CDs. This will take you to Fidelity's Fixed Income Marketplace, where you can browse available bond investments. After the page loads, click on the New Issues section and then select Treasury. You'll now see a list of available Treasury securities that can be purchased directly through Fidelity. At this point, you can compare the available Treasury bills based on factors such as maturity date and expected yield. The maturity date tells you when the investment will mature and when you'll receive your principal back. The expected yield shows the estimated return you can earn by holding the Treasury bill until maturity. Many investors choose the Treasury bill with the most attractive yield, while others prefer a maturity date that aligns with their financial goals. Once you've found the Treasury bill you'd like to purchase, click on its description to view additional details. On the Security Details page, you'll see information such as the expected yield, maturity date, issue date, and other key details. To continue, click the Buy button. Next, select the Fidelity account you want to use for the purchase. Then, enter the quantity you would like to buy. It's important to understand that Treasury bills are typically purchased in increments of $1,000. For example, entering a quantity of 1 means you're investing approximately $1,000, while entering a quantity of 10 means you're investing approximately $10,000. You'll also have the option to enroll in Auto Roll. If Auto Roll is enabled, Fidelity will automatically reinvest the proceeds into a similar Treasury security when the current one matures. This can be useful if you want to keep your money invested without having to manually purchase a new Treasury bill each time. If you'd rather receive your cash back at maturity, you can leave Auto Roll disabled. After entering your purchase details, click Preview Order. Fidelity will display a summary of the transaction, including the Treasury bill you're purchasing, the quantity, estimated yield, settlement information, and whether Auto Roll has been selected. Carefully review all of the information to make sure everything is correct. If you're satisfied with the order details, click Place Order to complete the purchase. Once your order is submitted, Fidelity will process the transaction and your Treasury bill will appear in your account after the purchase is finalized. You can then monitor it within your portfolio until it reaches maturity. And that's how to buy Treasury bills on Fidelity. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.